Hey, it's welcome back to another video. I'm still over here in Vietnam, and isn't that a beautiful sight to see? Isn't that amazing? Look at that beautiful sunset over there. This is what I have been looking at for the last 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and it has been incredible. I've been staying at this incredible 5-star resort, working from my computer, working from my hotel suite, and this is kind of something you can do if you're wanting to. This is an option really for you to work your own hours, work without a boss, work really with on your own time really, and not being controlled or monitored by somebody. And to wake up and to see that every morning and every sundown, I think is an absolute incredible gift to give yourself, but also your family, also your kids. Being able to teach them a skill to be able to do this themselves and be able to build a life for themselves, and basically to have that. Isn't that incredible? To actually have a business selling products online, to be able to source products from everywhere, to be able to work from anywhere in the world. I think that is an incredible gift, not only for yourself, but also for your family. If you are wanting to find out more, wanting to maybe do something online, maybe you've been thinking about doing something online for a while, running an Amazon business is not hard. Where people get stuck is they get stuck on finding products. They get stuck on, what do I sell on Amazon? What's the first step? What's the next step after that? How do I launch a product on Amazon? When I do launch it, what do I do next? How do I sell it? How do I sell more? How do I scale, right? So there's quite a few questions. When I launched my first product on Amazon, what do I do after that, right? So again, that's another question that people ask. So if you're wanting to find out a little bit more, please connect with us. We have a friendly team on standby. I do daily trainings. We do a lot of videos on YouTube. We have more reviews on Amazon, selling on Amazon, and for our courses and training than any other Amazon company out there, any other training company out there. We have more reviews than anybody else. We are the only company that lists products on Amazon. We are the cheapest company in Australia and New Zealand, and in fact, many of the companies in the US, we are the cheapest out of all of them. So not only do we have more reviews than any other company, we are the cheapest. We offer the most coaching. Some of our programs, we have unlimited coaching. So reach out, join one of our free webinars. I would love to see you there. And I would love to see you one day on this beautiful beach. I think this is absolutely incredible. And I think it would be great to potentially, have you here and potentially be offering this to your family and to your loved ones. All right, take care. Talk soon. Below this video, there should be a link. Have a chat with us. Give us a call. Usually I answer when you do give us a call in the office. It's not my secretary, it's not an assistant. It's usually me that picks up the phone. We're a very boutique business, and we don't, have thousands and thousands of customers like some of the big companies that don't really give one-on-one support, mainly because they can't, because they have so many customers. We are small. We love to work hands-on with our clients, and I love to work with you hands-on as well, helping you find your first product, helping you get sorted and get started on Amazon. All right, take care. Bye for now. See you later.
This weekend, having never sold anything online before, I feel like I can actually get started and do it.
Product ideas, yeah, I've got many product ideas out of it. Alex has been able to show us how to define and redefine what products sell the best.
Alex is friendly, he's outgoing, he answers everything. He doesn't put you off about anything. Yeah, he's really good.
I currently work in the corporate world. I work 9 to 5, and the reason why I chose to sell on Amazon is I wanted to free up my time to spend with my young family and be in charge of my earning potential, and Amazon has definitely got the potential to help me do that. Along with Alex and his support, I'm hopefully going to give it my 9 to 5.
Alex is very professional and very approachable.
He doesn't talk too fast, which is good, so you can learn
and hear it clearly. A lot of presenters sometimes rush through things, but he's very clear and deliberate, and he really takes care to cover a subject really thoroughly, so you can learn it and actually learn the real things, what really will make a difference to getting your products going and your business going.
I'm actually now very keen to actually get out there and do it myself.
The best that I've actually experienced probably within the last 10 years.
It's the first time I've met Alex face to face, and he came across as very much the way it is online, very heartwarming. He wants to be there for you, I get that. He's not just come to my seminars and you'll never see me. No, it's very much you'll meet me face to face. Whatever I'm telling you online is what I'll be telling you in person.
So after I attended the webinar and I came here, I think, Alex did a very good job of explaining what you need to do and the methodical way of actually where you start.
Getting the confidence to launch the whole product, find a product, get the confidence to launch it, and having the finer details, I suppose, to make sure it gets up there and actually sells. And I have a few product ideas from the conference, but I've also got a few from my personal meetings like with Alex.
His online system has been really awesome, really easy to follow. I learned so much from it, and it's basically kickstarted my business.
And I'm spending much more time with the family, which is the most important thing, and having time to yourself and the family.
I'd recommend this conference for anyone that's really considering the online environment. One of the things that really impresses is the way that they've taught us not only the sales side, but also how to source the products, and that's why I was attracted to the course in the first place. So anyone that's thinking of selling products online, this course would actually be beneficial.
I did it to try and find more time.
Build a business that I can sort of work on and expand and make decent income from.
We have gone ahead in leaps and bounds. We love it. I'm enjoying the course thoroughly. It explains things very well.
This course to me is much better than a lot of the other courses that people are offering because of the personal touch.
Go with someone that's in Australia. A bit more in common too with things that we can sell and buy.
What I've loved about the training is the personalised service. It's been the access to experts that are on hand to answer your questions, and they do it really well.
I decided that a 9-to-5 traditional way of earning money was no longer an option for me.
I choose Alex and his team because they have good system in place in teaching us beginners.
I can do it in my own time. And if I have any trouble, I know I can message them.
I've really enjoyed the support around me. It's been really enjoyable having them there and knowing at a click of a button, you just ask them a question.
This kind of business is, you have to learn a lot. You need this type of team to do it.
I never done in the online business before, and you have the guideline and to do anything from beginning.
It's set out logically, it's easy to follow, it's simple.
Full of knowledge, down to earth. What they have in knowledge is just invaluable.
Very easy to understand, and the support that you get after
email questions or send text messages and things, and usually you get a reply within about a day or so.
I will happily recommend this program to anybody who has no previous experience or knowledge in the online business.
Yes, I'd be happy to recommend to any of my friends, colleagues, or anyone that should ask.
The software programs that they use with finding products, how to use and focus on keywords.
The training part is very comprehensive, very nicely laid out, step-by-step program. It's easy to find things that you're looking for.
I'm new at any business. This is my first time starting any business at all, and I just feel comfortable, I feel confident, and to know that there's support.
Through your training, you've given me the confidence to actually go out there, get my own supplier, find my own products to go and sell on Amazon. Of course, I would definitely recommend your training. I think it's absolutely brilliant.